Today tori na ogbonge tori of how people carry their sense do overdo, come use their hand land for inside wahala. Dis na the tori of the Tower of Babel, the highest story building for inside Bible, where Baba God take scatter all the languages of this world. Welcome to Africa Bible Tori, where we dey break Bible tori from Genesis to Revelation into sweet pidgin tori. Make we begin. Long time ago, everybody for this world dey live together like one big family. Dis na different families wey join body together dey live as one. And the funny thing be say, everybody dey speak the same language. No misunderstanding, no cho. Everywhere dey peaceful and sweet. Day by day, children dey surplus. Marriages dey always take place, which means almost every weekend na owambe, as we dey call am today. Imagine say everybody for this world dey live together. During evening time, different families go come out, share their stories and ideas. Dem go play drums, sing, dance, eat and drink. Aside from pure entertainment, dis na how dem dey take express themselves. Nobody dey live under pressure, but one day, all of them make one big decision wey change their lives forever. All of them decide to move comot from their area, go settle for another land. Everybody carry their load. Na so movement start. Dem waka, come go reach one place wey dem dey call Shino. Omo, the land pure. E make sense and flat. Dis na correct area for dem to build their estate. One day, na so dem begin do meeting. One elder come stand up and talk. He say,
"Make we build one big city and tower way tall reach the heaven. That way our name go great.
That way, we go make name for ourselves. We no go scatter for everywhere. We go dey one place." How una see am? Everybody shout, "Bam! Correct! Right on, sir." The idea be like better idea for their mind. But problem no dey finish o. The problem come be say, how dem wan take build dis their skyscraper when e be say for that time, technologies wey dem dey take dey build big houses never dey. Na so one person stand up and suggest. He say,
Make we bake some bricks and use tar take build am. E go strong well past mud house.
na so everybody wey get contribution come begin dey add. Everybody eyes open. Dem begin shout, idea dey cry, sense too much. As everybody begin celebrate and dey jubilate because the idea makes sense very well. Na so project starts.
Lift steady now.
Block upon block, dem begin build. Po! Noise everywhere. The tower high wey no be small. Cloud don dey cover am, but dem no stop. E remain small, make the tower enter Baba God backyard. Baba God have to come down from heaven to see wetin dey go on. Wetin dey go on for here? Na serious overconfidence dey worry dis people. See as dem dey build tower come reach my domot. Baba God come look say, if dem dis people fit do dis thing as one people wey dey speak and understand the same language, then nothing go fit stop dem for anything wey dem wan achieve for dis world. For that reason, Baba God have to call meeting. He say, oya, make we go scatter their language, make dem no fit understand each other again, and wan see how dem go take join head take continue dis project. Na so Baba God arrange plan, pour sansan inside their garri, mix their language like jollof rice mixed with fried rice. Baba God give them different languages. Before you know, wahala burst. Imagine one man dey shout for Igbo, another one dey reply am with Yoruba. Na so confusion enter. Gbam! Work stop. Nobody fit understand each other again. Dem dey talk, but na like bird noise dem dey hear. As e be say dem no fit understand each other again, na so dem begin drop tools, waka comot. Na so dem begin waka go different places for the world. The tower become abandoned project. Na so dem name the place Babel, because na there Baba God take scatter all the languages of this world. This story carry big lesson, especially when you think am well. Wetin this story teach us? And why e be say, as e be say their project dey go on smoothly, and e be like say their idea na better idea, why Baba God intervene to scatter where be like say don dey sweet? Now, make I show you wetin really happen. After Baba God create this world, im plan be say make people multiply and full this world for different places for this world. But these people gather together and decide say na one place dem go stay. Dem say make we build this tower to make name for ourselves. So the problem no be the tower, na the pride and the plan wey no follow wetin Baba God want. That's why God scatter their language, so dem go move and spread all over the world. Baba God know say nothing for this life wey we no fit achieve. In fact, na him give us that power to fit take achieve anything wey we want for this life. Especially when e be say you get people around you wey dey support wetin you dey do, wey understand the same language, wey understand the dream of wetin you dey try to achieve. But the reason behind every plan, na him be the koko. No be every plan wey sweet for mouth go work for hand. Most of the time, your plan fit no dey in line with Baba God original plan for you. Na why him dey press break, especially when he see say your plan no pure. Before kasala go burst, God dey see tomorrow clearly, but we, na only today we dey see. So when one plan fail, instead make you dey vex or give up, just pause and think about the matter. E fit be sign say na Baba God dey press break for the matter, so that he go fit carry you go where you never see before. Remember, say na Baba God plan still be the best for you. So make you share this story with anybody wey you feel say dey the same journey with you.